Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the voice customer support bot. So how it gonna works, like press enter, record your question, press enter to stop. Faster whisper, we are using the local convert speech to text. Chroma vector search retrieves relevant chunks from your knowledge base documents. Claude AI answers using only the retrieve context, short spoken style, 1 to 3 sentences. HTTS converts the answer speech MP3, FA plays it loud. Okay. And text tag we are using the Chroma, Hugging Face, Faster Whisper, Claude AI, HTTS, and LangChain. Project structure recorder, HTTPF, Faster Whisper transcription, Voice AI agent, TTS from Voice AI agent, that is speech synthesis, retriever .py, chroma vector retrieve from customer support bot.py, rag chain tune for short spoken answers. Then we have fact.txt, your business documents go there. Ingest builds the vector store, main.py voice looping, tying it all together. And this is our requirements.agents. Let's run this first. So we have to install this. I have already installed in the last video. Now I'm going to run this. Let's open the terminal, paste it. Okay, the next step is install this requirements.txt. I'll show you requirement.txt file. So these are the requirement.txt that you have to install. Okay, and it is installed. The next step is copy the Anthropic business name. Okay, now I'm going to ingest the data knowledge base. Okay, so this is also done. Okay, ingestion complete. Next we have to go with python 3 main.py file. Okay, now loading knowledge, please enter. Okay, so I need to add some questions. So here we have some questions list, that is this one. So what are your business hours? Press enter what are your business hours? Okay, so here you can see that I my question is this one, so and answers the bot with the voice language. Okay, so this is how it works. Let's move to the next part. This is done, and you can see that this is the answer that it is returned already. Okay, so yeah, this is, let's move to the files. Okay, so what are the files we have? Knowledge base, that is faq.txt. So I have added some questions so the bot can answer. Okay, next we have source. Okay, ingest.py file. Here you can see, so this is our ingest.py file, right? Here you can see this file. Okay, next we have main.py, voice customer support bot, talk to your business agent document. So here we have all the main file. Okay, loading all the data, all the files combined. Okay, next we have the source, we have bot, we have recorder, retriever, httpy, and one. Let me open this files. So this is the files. Next we have recorder, next we have a retriever, st.py, fast whisper, and this is tts.py file, and this is the structure. Here you can see init.py empty. Okay, and the chroma db, this is something else. Anything I miss? No, everything is there. So this is how it works. So it can be used in your receptionist or somewhere where you can use this one, like any receptionist clinics or somewhere where the user can ask questions and the bot reply in audio form. Okay, any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.